Welcome to Module 1, Get Contract Ready. This is part of the Government Contracting Launchpad series from Virtual 24/7 Incorporated. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the first steps every business must take before it can sell anything to the government. Let's dive in. Before your business can sell anything to the government, it has to sign up in a few important places. Think of this like getting your driver's license before you can drive a car. You need the right paperwork first. The most important place to sign up is a website called SAM.gov. SAM stands for System for Award Management. It's like a giant phone book that the government uses to find businesses to buy from. If your business is not listed in SAM.gov, the government can't pay you, even if you win a contract. There is no government fee to register. SAM.gov itself never charges you a dime. Here's a decision every business owner faces early on. Should you register in SAM.gov yourself or pay a reputable agency to do it for you? Both are legitimate paths, and it comes down to your time and your comfort with paperwork. Doing it yourself costs nothing but time, an hour or two if your documents are ready and you work through the form carefully. Hiring a reputable agency costs money, usually a flat fee, but it buys your time back and expert guidance if you're new to the process. A busy business owner juggling job sites or clients might gladly pay someone to get it right the first time. Someone brand new might want an experienced guide through the NAICS code selection or the Reps and Certs section, where a wrong answer can cause real delays. Either way, remember this: SAM.gov registration itself is always free directly through the government. Paying an agency isn't paying for something that should be free. You're paying for their time and expertise. The one thing to watch for is making sure that agency is reputable. Real reviews, a real business address, and clear pricing. And whichever path you choose, always keep your own login credentials so you have direct access to your own SAM.gov account going forward. To sign up, you'll need a few things: your business name, your address, your tax ID number called an EIN, your bank information, and something called a NAICS code. A NAICS code is just a number that tells the government what kind of business you have. Every industry has its own 6-digit number. A general construction company might use a code that starts with 236. A landscaping company might use a code starting with 561. You don't have to memorize these. You can search by keyword online and it will show you the codes that match your business. Picking the right code matters because it affects which contracts you're allowed to bid on. Once you finish signing up, SAM.gov gives you a special ID number called a UEI, short for Unique Entity ID. Think of it like a social security number, but for your business. You'll use this number a lot, so keep it somewhere safe. One more thing to remember: you have to renew your SAM.gov account every single year. If you forget, your business disappears from the list and government buyers won't be able to find you. Signing up with the federal government is a great start, but it's not the only step. Almost every state, city, and county has its own separate list of approved businesses. These lists are different from SAM.gov, so you'll need to sign up for those too, wherever you plan to do business. This is also where a special certification called DBE comes in. DBE stands for Disadvantaged Business Enterprise. It's not something the federal government hands out. Instead, each state runs its own DBE program, following rules set by the U.S. Department of Transportation. DBE certification is specifically for businesses that work on transportation projects, like building roads, bridges, airports, or train systems. If your business does construction, engineering, or trucking work, getting DBE certified can help you win contracts that are set aside just for businesses like yours. Here's an interesting fact. Even though DBE is run separately by each state, the rules all come from one place: the U.S. Department of Transportation. That means the certification works pretty much the same way no matter which state you're in, even though you apply through your own state's program. That makes it easier to expand into new states later, since you'll already understand how the system works. To find out how to apply, search online for your state's Unified Certification Program, or UCP. Every state has one, and the application process is usually free. Let's wrap up Module 1 with a simple checklist. Here's what to do before moving on. Number 1, gather your business documents, your EIN, your bank information, and your legal paperwork. Number 2, decide whether you'll register yourself for free or hire a reputable agency if you'd rather save time or want guidance through the process. Number 3, go to SAM.gov and complete your registration. Write down your UEI once you get it. Number 4, pick the NAICS codes that best describe your business. Number 5, look into your state's vendor registration website and sign up. Number 6, if you do construction or transportation work, look into DBE certification through your state. Think of these 6 steps like planting a garden. None of them grow overnight, but skipping even one means nothing else can grow the way it should. Take it one step at a time, and you'll have a strong foundation before you know it. Do these 6 things, and your business will officially be ready to bid on government work. Great job! Now let's move on to Module 2, where you'll learn about certifications that can help your business stand out.